Oh, juice, man. How juicy this is. My God. These are crabs. We are gonna eat this. I mean, we are gonna cook. Cook, man, cook. These are gonna be super tasty because we caught everything from our river, Brahmaputra River. So, what is the style? Okay, by the way, let's see how we are gonna cook this and how we are gonna eat. Let's check it out. This is the lemon. We need this. We took some red chilies from our field, okay, and we have 2 green mangoes. Okay, then yeah, we have crabs in here. We're gonna eat you guys.
Okay.
Yeah, I think this is gonna be super tasty, man. Okay, here's my younger sister in here, cousin. She's always a big fan of me. And here's the person, my greatest fan. Say hi. Aste. As you guys can see, these are crabs, so we are gonna eat this today.
Oh my God.
Okay, my youngest brother is doing what he said. Hey, Saki. This is actually quite nice feelings in here. So guys, here is the mixture of this. Here is red chili, green mangoes, and juice of lemon. And here is the onion and red chili, couple of. And here is the crabs. We are gonna cook this. Okay, so everything is here, being ready. What are you doing, guys? Okay, eating mangoes. Okay. Okay, give me one slice in here. A small slice, not biggest. Small. Cut. Okay. 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 This is really great. My God.
Hi. Sanem.
হ্যালো গাইস, আপনারা কেমন আছেন? আজকে আমরা কাঁকড়া পাক করতে চলে এসেছি, আপনারা দেখুন। আপনারা কাঁকড়া পাক করেন? ভাঙ্গে দিনে পাক করতেছেন? হ্যাঁ,
এটা কি আস্তা পাক করবো?
হ্যাঁ, এটা তো আস্তে পাক করে, মানে ছোটাই পাক করে।
এগুলো সমুদ্রের গুলো, এগুলো তো সমুদ্রের।
আমরা যে কাটটা পাক করেছি আপনি জানেন কেমনে?
So guys, this is the first time I'm frying cockroach. This is awesome, really. And you see around me how many chairs. Wow. with nature. This everything is lovely, man.
Mama দেখো
They're super curious that what I'm cooking in here. Let's cook for 5 minutes now. So guys, now 5 minutes done. So let's check out. What time? Okay. Wow, man, gorgeous. You see? Jaws. All still. Wow, man. It's awesome. So guys, now we are completely done. We have finished our cooking. So here is banana leaf in here. We have cut it because we are gonna serve our awesome, delicious crab frying by this banana leaf. Okay, so let's do it, man. So now let's serve it. So you see the nature, and it's like a small picnic with kids. So come on, let's serve it now. Okay, you see guys, here's the kids. Okay, say hi, everyone.
Hi.
Hi. No more hi. Okay, so this is we are gonna serve. You see how delicious this looks like. Oh man. Ooh, this is so hot. কি খবর কেমন লাগছে?
এটা কাকড়া খাইলো না
Ouch. This is super spicy, man. You see guys, এর মধ্যে ডিম ছিল। Wow.
না এটা বাজি দেব দাও ভাই
তো একটু ডিম খাই দেখি।
টেস্টি
মামা
It's good. Okay, বাচ্চাদেরকে দিই। This is quite nice.
আরাম দে
Super tasty, man.
আরাম দে
নে শাওন খা একটা। ওকে নে খাওয়া দিচ্ছি। আউচ। কেমন লাগছে গাইস?
ভালো
ভালো। ওকে। You see? এগুলো সবগুলো খাইতে হবে এখন। This thing. Oh, this is like wow.
আলাই বড়রা
You see, guys, how juicy this is. My God.
আরামে দেখাইতে পাগলা
And this is the biggest one. These kids are my God. They are very attentive to it. সবাই একবার হাই বলে দাও।
হাই হাই
হাই। সামনে জায়গাটা দেখা।
চলো
হাই।
ভাই খাবো না
আশেপাশে মানুষজন দেখতেছে। I mean, what we are doing in here, it's like it's like a nice picnic in here with this natural view. With these kids, I love. This